A second. Okay, wait. What date?
July 29th. Kaya turned 2 yesterday. Okay, should we jump on 3, Kaya? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Good job, Kaya.
Good job. Swim. Swim the steps.
Kick your legs.
Kick your legs. Good job. Can you go get the ball? Get the ball. You're such a good swimmer. Should we jump in again? Yeah? Okay, one more time. Ready?
Oh, you gotta jump down towards this end,
Okay,
though.
jump in from this side. Jump over here.
Over here? Okay, just a
Okay,
second,
wait.
wait.
Daddy.
Just wait.
Okay, ready? Okay, count to 3. Ready? Count to 3. You can do it. You count. 2, 3.
Good jumping.
Good jumping.
You floating? Can you float on your back? On your tummy? Go get the ball.
Kick your legs. Kick your legs. Good job. Kick them. Kick, kick, kick.
You go get the ball?
Kick, kick, kick. Sure nice of Courtney to let us use her pool, isn't it? Sure nice of Courtney.